like I said before, that this movie was to celebrate my strength as a mother before I released, before I even, you know, give birth at all. I've been looking forward to doing a movie, you know, while pregnant. I've done a lot of challenging roles, I've acted like an old woman. I've acted a thief. I've done a lot. I think I've even, you know, jumped from a fence down, you know. It was a lot of challenging thing, but this was a natural challenging thing that I wanted to do for myself. And I just said I was going to do this. I was going to do this with my pregnancy. And I did. And I did an amazing thing. And I'm breathing hard because I'm trying to hold back my tears. Okay, I did actually. And okay, it is well. And the movie is out yesterday, and everybody liked it. Everyone that has watched it, I love the reviews. I've been seeing Welcome to Motherhood Debbie since yesterday, just like I told you all to do to me, and it's been really amazing. It's been an emotional one yesterday for me. I went to bed very emotional. I just wish it was how I planned it. But oh God, Debbie, stop. Okay, no, this is just me saying, guys, we can do better. Please don't tell me how to grieve. Honestly, I don't want to do this. I don't like myself doing this. But you know, when it comes to crying, you can tell anyone sad. Stay at the back of your room, cry your eyes out. But you cannot tell a mother how to feel. Not even me that I'm strong. I celebrate myself like I'm super strong. I am super strong. I celebrate myself. Honestly, I give that to myself. But see, right now, this movie is out. You know, if I had that child, you guys would tell me, congratulations, you send gifts. But this is the gift you can give me. This is the memory that I have to myself with this child. Please, I'm begging, watch this movie. It's 18 hours and it's just 50-something K, and it's a good movie. Change my mindset about these things. You know, we usually say in my industry, saying that people don't even appreciate good movies. They want to watch good movies on YouTube, but when it's out, they still do not want to celebrate it. They still do not want to watch it. Please, I beg you, if you have watched this movie, share to your friends and family. Tell them to share to everybody. Please, let people watch this movie. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you. And please watch directly on YouTube so I can make back my money. There was so much put into this movie. A lot was put into this movie. You know how you would feel when you're pregnant and your baby would hook you and you still have to just go. I watched myself in that movie yesterday and I was like, I didn't even know I gave it my best. You know, I was just doing it because my aim was just to do a movie while pregnant, you know. And I didn't know I gave it my best, but I thank God. But please, I have plans for this money. Actually, I have plans that I don't want to share right now. But please, I beg you. I beg of you. You will not know loss. You will never know loss in your life. You will never have to deal with pains that do not go away. You will never have to feel those pains in your whole life. I just beg you. Please, I did not mean to come here to cry to you. Because I don't even like to see myself feeling this bad, honestly. But you know what? I can't help it. I cried my eyes out yesterday. I've been so emotional yesterday. It brought back a lot of flashes to my head yesterday. It was a whole lot. You see, all the sacrifice, it was a lot. It was a lot down how to lose it. What you have to go all out to sacrifice for, but it is well. Just please, The next time I will come here, I will not cry. I promise I will not cry, and I end up, still crying right now. But I will still not cry. I might cry, whatever way. Just please, this, it doesn't go away. That's the truth here. And for every person that came to my DM telling me, oh, Debbie, oh, I know how you feel, but you don't want to show it, honestly, probably because some of them have been there, or they have seen people who has been there. You people are right. You are right. But it is what it is, and it makes me it has made me stronger in everything that I have done in my life, everything I've been doing ever since then. I've just been so strong, and I celebrate myself. So please, the movie AYANMO is showing on Libra TV. Just go there, watch, tell everybody to watch. I beg my colleagues, I beg everybody that can share. If you have a lot of followers, if you have few followers down to 10 followers, your WhatsApp, your TikTok, your Twitter, please just help me share this movie. It's a great movie. It's a good movie. Please, thank you.